Thailand. Isan, northern Thailand. Oh, got a few coconuts. Have to crack them later. Dehusk them. You coming, Black? You come? You coming, Daddy? You coming, baby boy? You coming, Panda? Huh? You come with Dada? Huh? I'd mentioned it before, we're very fortunate in Australia. We can come and go fairly cheaply to Thailand. You know, you can pick up flights, reasonable price. And one lesson I learnt is, oh, Fontok, rain. A little bit of rain coming, that's good. One lesson I learnt is, yeah, book your tickets in advance so you save money. One time I had to go back due to a sick family member, and if you haven't booked ahead, you know, it can get quite costly. So big lesson learnt, you know, don't forget. And you know, there's probably better ways, but I pick up cheap flights like 300, 350, Jetstar, carry on, nothing fancy. I hate their food, disgusting, so I don't do anything like that. I pay for an aisle seat because I gotta stand up, I can't be trapped in those disgusting, uncomfortable chairs. But anyway, yeah, and another tip is, well, this is what I do, there's probably better ways, but you can, oh, it's going to rain, I think, really heavy, probably get caught out. I kind of don't mind though, because it's been so hot. A tip is, oh yeah, it's going to come down. Oh, it's going to bucket down. We get caught. Oh, it's kind of nice though. Conta. We run. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, there you go. You get to see a beautiful Isan rain. This is a light shower, but it's so refreshing. Oh, so good. Woo. Oh, so nice. Oh, so cool. Yeah, one thing I do is I buy a ticket in advance for about 300 bucks, even if I'm not 100% sure of the date, and then you can shift it. Just a little tip there, you can shift it later, manage your booking, and cost about 100 bucks extra, you know, compared to, you know, anywhere from 800 to 1,600 fare because you didn't book it in advance. Yeah, it can really help. So I know there's probably better ways of doing it, but that's what I do because I'm never sure when I'm coming and going. Just depends on what's happening here in Thailand or back home. So, but anyway, we will talk again soon. That was a bit, I've sort of broken this video because I got caught out in the rain. But you got to see beautiful Isan rain. Little shower anyway. Oh, dog, don't go in there. Cow manure. Panda. Black. Come on. Come on. Huh? Come on.